In today's news, Bitcoin holds $20,000 but will soon fall. Is it a good idea to buy ADA in 2022? Kwon reportedly manipulated Terra's market. BNB investors should know this. JP Morgan conducts DeFi cross-border transaction. Protocol ventures to close for good. Welcome to Crypto Space. In today's video we compile the most relevant news in the crypto world, so subscribe to be informed every morning. Bitcoin holds $20,000 but will soon fall. Data showed that the BTC-USD pair settled just above $20,000 on the day. The pair had seen sudden volatility when the Fed hiked 0.75%, with false moves up and down triggering liquidations for both long and short positions. Long and short positions. Cross-cryptocurrency liquidations over the past 24 hours, as of press time, amounted to $165 million, CoinGlass data confirms. In the end, Bitcoin finished slightly below its pre-Fed level, an area that continued to hold on the day as analysts awaited further signals. For popular Twitter trader Crypto Tony, there was no need to adjust an existing forecast that implied a resumption of near-term declines. Resource material indicator tracking data highlighted potential support and resistance zones using trades from the order book at Binance. The $19,000 and $21,000 levels were in focus for analyst Martin, a contributor to the on-chain analytics platform Kwon. Is it a good idea to buy ADA in 2022? Although a large portion of cryptocurrencies are reviving from the ashes of the crypto winter that has plagued the digital asset market since the end of 2021, Cardano, ADA, currently looks like some resilience. Since August 2021, when it experienced its most glorious moments, so far, by reaching a peak price of USD $3 per unit, it has suffered defeat after defeat until falling to historic lows that have caused it to lose up to 90% of its value. Despite this setback, in the last few weeks, ADA has risen before its battered project and has begun to climb slowly in trading terms, attracting the attention of some investors, who are putting this cryptocurrency back on their betting radar. Of course, it should also not be forgotten that Cardano today remains one of the most prestigious and highly capitalized digital assets in the market, staying in the top 10. At the time of writing, it ranks as the 9th largest cryptocurrency in the world and trades around USD 39 cents. As CoinMarketCap data shows, ADA is showing up in the green thanks to its recent rally. In a matter of just a few days, the digital asset grew in price, rising from USD 33 cents per unit on October 21 to USD 43 cents on October 29. The most pessimistic assumed, and still do, that ADA's decline to USD 20 cents was a fact of life, but this has not happened and the trend is for it to continue to rise. From the specialized website Estrategias de Inversion, they point out that the extremely supervening conditions with which the token deals with smart contracts token deny the idea of a continuous pullback. Kwon allegedly manipulated the Terra Market. The legal case against Terra's founder is still making headlines, as South Korean media published new reports revealing that Kwon may have instructed one of his employees to alter the price of the project's cryptocurrency in major markets. Terra's market manipulated? The information was originally published by the media Naver and was spread by other specialized portals, where they point out that the prosecutor's office in charge of the case presented conversations between Kwon and a Terra employee where there is evidence of the irregularities perpetrated by the project's director and one of the employees. According to the official, this is in addition to the prosecutor's investigation against Kwon, who is accused of being one of the main responsible parties behind the collapse of Terra's ecosystem at the beginning of the year. Terra's ecosystem at the beginning of 2022. This incident dealt a heavy blow to the crypto ecosystem in general, but the hardest hit were Luna and UST investors who saw steep losses in very short periods of time. The legal dispute against Kwon is for Kwon. The developer's legal team maintains the innocence of its represented party against accusations of his alleged responsibility for Terra's collapse. BNB investors should know this. Not only did BNB's price increase by more than 15% in the last 7 days, but the growth was also marked in other aspects. For example, BNB witnessed a slight increase in the number of bets, as the value of BNB's bets rose from $19.3 million in September to $19.4 million in October. Block data also complemented these developments. According to the accompanying chart below, the total value locked in, TVL, by DeFi projects in the chain. BNB was just shy of touching $6 billion. Crypto revealed that BNB's Relative Strength Index, RSI, was in an overbought position, indicating that the good days could stop soon. MVRV's MVRV index recorded a decline, suggesting a possible sell-off in the coming days. In addition, BNB's velocity also declined lately. In addition, the daily chain transaction at a loss recorded a peak on November 1st, which was another negative signal. For example, BNB's NFT ecosystem managed to show growth. BNB's total NFT trade count and USD trading volume increased recently, reflecting the popularity of BNB's NFT ecosystem. In addition, BNB's popularity was further established after its social volume increased over the past week, with a slight drop on November 2nd. JP Morgan completes DeFi cross-border transaction. U.S. multinational investment bank JP Morgan on November 2nd completed its first cross-border decentralized finance (DeFi) transaction on blockchain. It is part of the Guardian project initiated by Singapore's central bank, the Monetary Authority of Singapore. The transaction was completed on Ethereum's Layer 2 Polygon network using a modified version of the AAVE protocol smart contract code. It involved tokenized deposits of Singapore dollars, SGD, and Japanese yen, JPY, in addition to a simulated tokenized government bond trading exercise. Project Guardian aims to explore possible applications of decentralized finance, DeFi, in wholesale funding markets. It is an exercise to test how traditional financial systems can leverage digital tokens and DeFi protocols for different use cases. In addition to JP Morgan Group, Singapore's largest bank, DBS Bank, Japanese banking firm SBI Digital Asset Holdings, and New York-based leadership program Oliver Wyman Forum also participated in the program. Tyrone Lobban, head of Onyx Blockchain and Digital Asset Launch at JP Morgan's Onyx business unit, took to Twitter to share that the SGD tokenized deposits were the first tokenized deposit issuance by a bank. Protocol Ventures to close for good. Amid the dizzying price drop in the crypto market, another cryptocurrency fund is announcing its closure. According to a report from Bloomberg, digital asset hedge fund investor Protocol Ventures is preparing to shut down and return money to investors after this year's steep price slowdown. People familiar with the matter, who preferred to remain anonymous, advanced the information to the news outlet. As they indicated, Protocol Ventures would have sent notices to investors in late October about the decision and anticipate the closing to be completed by the end of the year or in the first quarter of 2023. Founded in 2017, Protocol had invested in well-known crypto hedge funds such as Blocktower Capital, Multicoin Capital, Pantera and Electric Capital, as recalled by the report. The San Francisco, U.S.-based firm had started with $1 million in capital and touted itself as the first fund of funds for cryptocurrencies, according to the block.